Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to share documents on screen in a Zoom meeting so everyone can view your files in real time. Whether we are presenting reports, slides, or notes, screen sharing makes collaboration much easier. Now, during a Zoom call, if we want to share a document, all we need to do is click on Docs. Then we can allow hosting permissions. Once that is done, we just need to click More and select Readers. Here, we simply click this option once we are finished setting it up. Now, we can click on Docs and then select the document we want to share. If the file is on our computer, we just need to browse for it. Let's use an example. We will use one of these templates to show how it works. To share it, we just need to click Share in Meeting. We may need to wait a moment while it loads. As you can see, we are now sharing our document in Zoom. From here, we can start walking our team or meeting participants through the document. And that is how we share documents on screen in a Zoom meeting in just a few simple steps.